it's looking slightly hard to predict the feel of the world, and the breadth also is just in sync with what is happening to global equity markets. 496 advances, 951 declines. So it's turning out to be a bad day and a poor day of trade, irrespective of the cut you look at. Small cap, mid cap, large cap, irrespective of the cut you look at, it's turning out to be a rather feeble start with a downward bias. Now let's address the newsmakers. LT Mindtree, Wipro, Bajaj Auto, and then IndusInd Bank. All four numbers, Nifty 50 numbers, came out with numbers in the second half. And Bajaj Auto has hit out of the park, 122 rupees higher for Bajaj Auto. IndusInd Bank, the numbers are not bad at all, and there is an MSCI inclusion which would be at play, which is helping the stock today, 26 rupees higher for IndusInd Bank. And then let's top it up with what you've got in terms of, the fourth one was LT Mindtree. So let's top it up with LT Mindtree also. What do we have in terms of a market reaction? And the market reaction, this one is going against the grain. But is it a good idea to buy a stock when the sector per se is not in a great shape? So that's the market breadth for you. Little bit of reaction to earnings. That's about it. Nothing major, nothing large, nothing alarming, but nothing exciting.
Yeah, that's really the picture coming in across the board. Couple of other names which are going to be in focus. We've already flagged off what IndusInd, Bajaj Auto are up to, or for that matter, even LTI Mindtree. Persistent as well came out with their numbers. The constant currency revenue growth is above estimates. The deal wins are at a record high. So look out for Persistent as well. That's definitely moved up smartly, 2% higher on that stock. There's Coforge as well, which has maintained its FY24 constant currency revenue growth guidance. The dollar revenue is above estimates. So some of these outliers from within the mid-cap IT arena. ICICI Lombard as well, wherein the gross direct premium incomes have come in higher by about 17.5% nearly. Profit is up 2.2% on a year-on-year basis. That stock as well has moved up 3% as we speak right now. In the meantime, Bandhan Bank's numbers were below estimates. The asset quality as well has seen a deterioration. So look out for what that stock is doing. 3.5% of a gap down for that one. And then, of course, there's a Shoppers Stop. There's Dabur as well, wherein the litigations against three of its subsidiaries in the US and Canada have actually come out. There's Wipro, of course, which has been a dampener too. So all these are earnings reactions coming in. Before we take it across to Nilesh Shah from Envision Capital, I quickly want to take it across to Kunal and Naresh and get in some first trades going as well. Kunal, firstly, a word on the index.
Well, it doesn't come as a surprise that we've opened down 0.5% to 1% approximately for the indices. Would expect the index to remain under pressure at least for the first half of the trading today. But in terms of outperforming sectors, Maruti is something which I would pick up in terms of the opening trade. Auto stocks still look very strong, and many of the auto stocks have confirmed a breakout for themselves. So Maruti is one of the names which I'll be bullish on.
Naresh, what are the first trades or trades that you're punching in?
So being defensive like Sun Pharma, this could be a stock which could play defensive as well as break out in the short term. So expecting that to take a move towards 1200, 1250.